Hi gang. So you might be asking yourself, what does it mean? Non-meditation is the best meditation. Well, we'll explore that in the next few videos. In each video, I'll just give you a different, what I'll call a pass at explaining it, or teaching how to do it, or how not to do it. So, just try each video. Each video is going to take a different stab at how to practice, and then I'll do a guided meditation that will incorporate all the different instructions. So, the first one I'll do is that non-meditation is basically the idea that you don't do anything. Anything. So, in a very popular form of meditation, mindfulness, breath awareness meditation, one focuses on the breath. One tries to keep one's attention always on the breath, not on other things. When thoughts come up, one tries to not get distracted in the thought. One tries to stay on whatever the breath focus is. And then when one realizes one is lost in thought, one is compassionately supposed to let go, be kind to oneself and not think they're doing the wrong thing, and come back to breath. It's a popular form of meditation. There's some more to it. And you can label, you can be like, oh, that's thoughts, oh, that's thinking, oh, that's depression, oh, that's pride, whatever. So that's a popular form of meditation, and there's variations on it, but yeah, very popular. Non-meditation is a lot simpler than that, I think, and a lot more natural and relaxed. So in non-meditation, sometimes called open awareness, the idea is you just don't do anything. So sit down on your meditation cushion, stand up when your meditation standing place, or sort of whatever feels right for you, wherever you like to practice. You can begin by saying a dedication or, an intention, like, may I relax for everybody's benefit. And then once you've set that up, just don't do anything. Just relax. The idea is that you just rest with everything as it is. So you sit down and then you just say, relax to yourself. Once, maybe. Or you just try to relax. And then you don't do anything. Doesn't matter what your mind does. Doesn't matter if your thoughts are coming in. Doesn't matter how you feel. Doesn't matter if you're itchy or tired or sad or loud noises around. All good. Doesn't matter if you're distracted, bouncing around. Just relax and don't do anything. Now, if you try this, you'll find that the mind will do things. You will find that a few minutes in, you will be doing something. And that's fine. That's great. That's just the nature of the mind. But then when you realize that you're doing something, you're not relaxing. Just relax. Let go. So that's the first pass at this. When you are sitting in non-meditation, you just don't have to do anything. Don't try to control experience. Don't try to make your mind be a certain way. Just relax. Rest. And don't do anything. And then when the mind starts to do things, and you realize that's happening, you rest again. And in this sense, you just continually relax and relax. And the mind learns that as it just does and tries to do and control things compulsively, it just learns over time that it can relax if it wants to. So don't do anything. And when you start doing something, just stop. Relax. So there you go, that's the first pass.